right now what we're doing is we're just basically going over it with a slightly damp rag, lint-free, trying to get all the dust and stuff off. And then
Dust bunny.
tomorrow we are going to go to get a spray gun. And then we're going to go over to a paint body supply store to get some single stage satin black paint. And then Chase is going to paint the engine bay, right?
Yeah.
There you go.
Leave a like if you want to see me do a better job. Every like equals one extra stage of completionist that I get when I paint.
Of completionist?
Yes. Walking in a store, doo doo doo.
Do you see it? Right here? Alright. We got it.
Psst. Hey, Dad.
Yes,
Hey, Dad.
sir.
Dad.
Good powder. Come on here.
Dad.
I'm gonna beat you.
Heard that live on camera. He's probably gonna edit it out.
Yep.
No.
Alright.
Diamond.
This is a riv nut. See, these are riv nuts. Now, do you see a box of those anywhere? Of just riv nuts?
You're nuts. That.
It's funny. It's funny, they sell the gun, but they don't sell any refills for the riv nuts.
Then buy another gun. That's what they're asking you to do.
No. Yeah, they don't have any riv nuts, do they?
Walking around the store completely alone. Lost my dad. Please don't abduct me. Gotta check it out, ladies and gentlemen.
This will be my next thing. But I'm probably gonna get it at the auction, I'm hoping. But okay, we know this is $229. So if I get the one at the auction, anything less than that price, then I'm better off. And it's a name brand, and it's old, so it'll last forever.
Hey, we really do apologize. We totally forgot to start recording. But, part 1 done. Yay. We tested out the paint thing and it works. Especially
Look
on...
at there. Overhead shot.
Cool. So now comes my part.
Alright, get in.
No!
Alright, I'll start it, and then you finish it, okay?
No, you better hold it.
I want to start.
Well, hold this for me. I gotta get in. Now, dog.
Well, I was gonna start painting first.
Okay.
Alright, you record. What are you getting in for? I'm gonna paint first.
You just said to get in.
Well, I said I'll get in. I'll paint half, and you paint the other half. Okay? I think we thinned it out, but
Really?
yeah. I think next time half.
Nah. I don't want. Is it okay to paint this? I don't want to paint.
Push it off the way with your other hand. Yeah, hold it out of the way. There you go. Slow.
Hang on.
There you go.
Oh, when it gets
You're doing great. All right, do it on the line. See where you kind of missed them? They're only like kind of, sort of.
I don't see it at all.
You don't see the texture?
Yeah.
There you go. Make sure you get down in there from where you can see. Yeah, go all the way to your left. Go left with it.
Oh, yeah.
So yeah, you gotta get the hump. When you do it that way, yeah, just go across. Turn it a little bit sideways and go across. There you go. Come toward me with it. There you go. Perfect, Chase. All right, now you gotta get all this. Yeah, do the bottom, work your way up. There you go. Nice. Nice.
I think I'm making it wrong. I don't want to do it.
Now, you see the fish eyes in it, though?
Where?
See the little bubbles? That's something we're going to have to fix later.
Yeah, I'd be smart.
When you MIG weld, it's gotta be really clean. Alright, this one goes here, Chase. How are we doing? It's gonna go here. And then the other one is gonna go there. Alright, I'm gonna have a job for you, okay? Mm-hmm. This is what I want you to do. Mm-hmm. Alright. You have to put gloves on. But when I tell you, I'm gonna need you to just push pressure on it. See how I just push pressure on it? Because we're just trying to close up the gap, okay? But you gotta, when I do it, you gotta close your eyes. Okay? So get you some gloves. Oh yeah, you know what? Instead of using this, I'd rather use wood. Where's the other hammer? Yeah? Mm-hmm. Alright, close your eyes. Open. Alright, close them. Get another tap. Okay, I completely missed.
Okay.
Close.
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Okay.
Bottom.
Open.
Yeah, open, I'm sorry. Alright, you can open it. Good.